This 2019 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 35QS is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, external shower, DVD player, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, microwave, TV, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, oven, and 77 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2019 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 35QS is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.